All right, now somebody goes out and they buy new clothes. They bring them home. They're all excited to wear them, but should they wash them before wearing them?
I never do.
Why is that?
I prefer the creases, how the collar stays popped. Everything looks clean. You wash them, all goes away.
All right, so you go out, you buy some new clothes. You're all excited to wear them, but should you wash them at least once before wearing them?
I would say yes, due to the dyes that are in the fabrics and also, just to get rid of germs before you put them on your skin.
Usually like tees and stuff like that, shirts, any kind of polo shirt. If there's no creases in it, I'll just wear it.
Do you wash your whites separately, or do you just throw it in with the rest of the clothing?
I wash them separately
And why is that?
to keep them clean and bright.
So no dyes come out or any of that.
So it's definitely recommended to do so, just so that you don't get any color transfer from the dyes on the garments. But I'd say it's definitely user preference. So if you have some clothes that you think are pretty sturdy that won't color transfer, or you have some clothes that are, I guess, more delicate that you think will, then I would definitely separate those out. Your discretion.
Gotcha. All right, and Dan, when you're washing your clothes, do you tend to separate your whites from your other colors, your darks, or do you just wash them all together?
Good question. I actually worked at dry cleaners for most of my teenage years. We were always instructed to wash, and we always did clothes separately because you don't want your whites to come out dingy. And my mom always taught me this: when you have a red outfit or a red shirt, run it underneath the water and make sure it doesn't bleed.
When it comes to washing your clothes and using stain remover on them, what is your go-to stain remover?
Shout.
Shout.
Shout. Yeah.
Why is that?
It just works better than the other ones, I think.
Gotcha. For you, what is your go-to, top-notch favorite stain remover for your clothing?
If you take OxyClean and mix it with some water and make a little paste and rub it around.
When it comes to washing your clothes and you get a stain on it, what is your favorite go-to stain remover?
I mean, I don't do my own laundry. Thankful enough to be married, my wife does my laundry. It just, magically gets done.
When it comes to how much soap you use when washing your clothes, do people tend to use too much, not enough? Where do you think they lie?
They definitely, I think we all think that the more soap, the cleaner our clothes are going to get, but we actually need to use a little bit of soap, and that's going to make our machines definitely last longer and avoid any odors.
Okay. And we got a GE washer and dryer set as well as the LG Think. Now, can you tell me a little bit about the Wi-Fi compatibility with them and how the app works on your phone while working these and owning these?
Well, it's nice because both of them link up to your phone. LG has the Think, but it actually links to your phone so you can start and stop your washer and dryer, and it also alerts you when the cycles are done. So that's a nice thing to have if you're busy in your life, you have kids, or you're just kind of on the go. It's really nice to have this as a function that you can just tap right from your phone.